Hello friends, welcome to the Tech World Plus. In this video, I am just giving you a quick tip like how to convert the formula into a value. You can see we have some values over here and then corresponding their formulas. Okay, so what if I copy this 26.8 and paste in somewhere else? So you can see the value is 0 because of the formula is referring to the some other cells. So how to remove that formula or how to convert this formula value into a normal value? So to do that, first we have to copy that cell, okay, and then you have to select the target cell, okay, and then you can click on Alt ES, so it will give you the paste special this pop-up window, and from here you can select the values by clicking on V and then you can click on OK. So this is how you can simply convert the formula into a value. That's it for today guys. Hope you are enjoying our content. Please do share your comments and encourage us by subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. Let's talk more in my next video.